Hey garden peeps! Since our channel's been growing in the last couple of months, we have a lot of new friends showing up, and a lot of people haven't seen our downspout and how we put that together. So I get a question about 5 to 20 times a week when they see the new videos and see all the stuff we got growing, and they're like, why don't you show how to make that? And even though I've got a video from about 2 years ago, they don't like to go back and try and find it. So I'm gonna replay that. I had to change the music on it anyway to post it on Facebook, so I figured I might as well just put it here. I'll make a new one. I know I've been saying I'm gonna make one soon, but I've got some new downspouts. I'm gonna go ahead and make a new one, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna post this again for the new people who are showing up. And if you've been following me for a couple of years and you already know how to make these, feel free to just skip ahead. So in the meantime, we're gonna show our friends how we make one of these and how we bend the ends. And don't forget, Sunday we're going to be live streaming. Special guest Pepe Fasos. Real excited. I've known him for about a year, but we've never really directly talked, so this is going to be a real treat for me. Real interesting guy from Australia. Microgreen farmers. Y'all are going to learn a lot. And I haven't confirmed yet, but I'm going to try and get Marty from Marty's Garden. He's one of the guys I've been watching for about 7 or 8 years, and I learned a lot from him too. I'm sure you guys probably know who he is. So we're gonna try and have both these guys on Sunday night, 8 p.m. Eastern, GMT. Hope to see you there. Oh, and this one's gonna be a little different than our other live streams where I was just strictly Q&A and answering questions. This one we're gonna be interviewing two people. I might not get a lot of time to answer specific questions that come up in the chat. But if you guys want to, go down in the description below and there's a form that you can go and fill out a question. If you have something specific for Pepe or Marty about microgreens and growing, any questions you might have that you'd like me to ask them, go ahead and fill out that little question, fill out that little document, just put your question in there, and I'll try to get to as many as I can. So looking forward to Sunday. If you don't know how to make one of these, stick around. If you know how to make that already, see you Sunday. All right, keep on growing.
But nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground.